How to say no when you're working on your thesis. Hi, I'm Gabby from mythesiscoach.com. I'm a PhD holder, I'm an academic, and I'm a thesis coach working with clients from all over the world, supporting them on their thesis journey from very beginning all the way to submit. Now, I want to talk today about a sentence that you can use in order to say no to things that draw away from your thesis time. Now, why is this so important? Look, this is important because when you're working on your thesis, it's a long-term project, and at certain times it's going to require a lot of commitment from you. It's never the only thing you do in your life, but it is something that you need to devote significant time to. But you are going to find that so many things are going to get in the way. There are going to be work deadlines. There are going to be tempting projects you want to get involved with. There are going to be events you'd like to go to. Family responsibilities, people you have to care for. These are many important things that draw away our attention. So here's what I need to say to you. If it is something that you can say no to, I really recommend you do, particularly at crunch times for your thesis, like just before handing something in or when you're very involved in a part of it, for example, collecting your data, analyzing your data, and so on. The good news is that people are really understanding about thesis responsibilities. If you explain to them why it is that you cannot do that thing they are wanting you to do at that moment, they'll understand. So what do you say? Here we go. Thank you so much for that opportunity. It sounds really interesting. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to do it right now. I'm prioritizing my thesis, but I really hope I can get involved once I'm done. Bingo! People will understand because it's a cool thing you're doing writing a thesis. And also you will feel great about yourself that you are prioritizing yourself and your own work and putting you first. So there we go. That's what you say when you need to say no to things during your thesis. Remember to keep drawing those boundaries. Any questions, any comments, please ask them below in the comment chat and I will get straight back to you. Otherwise, happy thesis writing. I'll see you next time.